In this video, we'll show you how to set up and use Face Unlock on your Pixel 4 phone. To turn on Face Unlock, go to the home screen. Swipe up, then tap Settings. Tap Security. Then tap Face Unlock. Enter your PIN, button, or password. Tap Next. Face Unlock will now capture the details of your face at a few different angles. To begin, tap Start. Hold your phone approximately 20 centimeters away from your face and keep it very still. Keep your face in the center of the image and slowly point your nose in each direction until all of the blue tiles have disappeared. If you move your head too much, a message on the screen will tell you to adjust. When the Pixel phone has all the information it needs, it'll tell you. Tap Done. Now when you need to unlock your phone, your Pixel quickly scans your face, then unlocks. Now you can unlock your Pixel 4 with your face. To learn more about your Pixel phone, watch our other videos or visit the Help Center.